got the lead. Now hold it.
Throwing flashbang.
We've taken control.
Shot. I have my controllers already low. What?
Damn it, we've lost the lead.
This guy's
Hostile scout pulse in your AO.
Sniper working. Clear. Sniper is down.
Okay.
Popped one.
I don't know where the other guy went.
Dropped enemy.
Oh, behind me. This isn't fair.
Hostile UAV established overhead.
Get the fuck out of here, you fucking. That way. He's around back. Camping that fucking wall. Nah. This is bullshit. I'm thinking zombies. This is fucking ridiculous.
Enemy UAV inbound.
Off deck. How you doing? Dude, I'm running around in fucking circles right now, basically. Better? This is bullshit. This is pissing me off.
You're walking a thin line, asshole.
Bringing in recon. Frag thrown.
There's no way.
Confirming hostile. Do better. I can't be everywhere. Hostile shooter.
No. How did he go from steps to magically he's in my face? Last place he was seen was on steps.
In the bag.
He ain't doing shit now.
Another body.
I don't know what the fuck he was trying to do, bro. He ain't fucking me up. I don't know which way they're coming from.
Marking target location.
I forgot you're at the other end. Right in front of me. He's gonna come behind you. Nope, he's gonna shoot me again. Oh my fucking god. Mm-hmm.
Eyes on enemy.
Behind. They're all behind fucking